Today, I will be sharing with you some of the ways you can contribute to open source software projects without actually having to code. Scientific Python is code designed by scientists and engineers for science and engineering. All projects have a straightforward license that determines what you can and cannot do. Typically, you may use or modify the software as long as you give credit to the original authors. The entire ecosystem relies on peer review and community production, so your contribution is really important. There are many ways to contribute outside of coding. We'll discuss a few. Every scientific Python project has its own issue tracker, where users report bugs, suggest UX improvements, and discuss technical issues they are having. These let developers support users and track improvement to their projects. One way in which you can contribute is by verifying and triaging issues. For example, you can check if older issues are still relevant, and let developers know if they're resolved. You can find duplicate issues and link related ones, since usually the same problems are reported multiple times. You can add self-contained code snippets that reproduce issues, thereby helping developers to find the problem and test solutions. You can label issues by adding appropriate tags. This usually requires triage rights, but you can just ask for them. Pull requests are the way in which scientific Python projects incorporate new code. You can help even if you're not familiar with it by summarizing discussions in PRs so that newcomers to the conversation can easily catch up without reading the whole thread. Testing proposed changes in PRs to make sure they function correctly and don't break existing code. Another way in which you can contribute to a project is by improving its documentation. Documentation is crucial for every scientific Python project because it is the way that users learn how to use it. This doesn't mean you need to write new documentation, which you can by following the Docs Contributing Guide. There are other ways you can help too. Many projects have tutorials, which you can review and report confusing or missing parts. Find typos and minor errors in Docs and report them in the Docs repository issue tracker. If you feel like creating your own content, you can write your own guides and tutorials. There are several categories of materials you can produce: how-tos, deep dive explanations, gallery examples, notebooks, videos, etc. Apart from content, you can help improving Docs organization and style. Most scientific Python projects are developed in English, but an increasing number are using platforms such as Crowding to traduce their interface, webpage, and documentation. If you speak a language other than English and feel comfortable translating, this is yet another way you can help. Every scientific Python project has a community of volunteers you can be part of. You can get involved in online conversations and discussions about the project, offer help to newcomers, come to community meetings, or teach others about the project. You can even help with community outreach by sharing content on Twitter, organizing code sprints, posting newsletter updates, or writing blogs. As you've seen, there are many ways to contribute to scientific Python. No matter what you have to offer, go ahead and reach out to project maintainers. They will be happy to receive all the help they can get. Thanks for watching and welcome to Scientific Python.